In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium on your mobile phone. So if you head over to the official Spotify app and then click on Premium in the bottom right hand side, you'll see that we have all of these available plans, but there's no way to actually purchase them via the app. So how you get around this and actually purchase Spotify on your iPhone is by heading over to an internet browser, heading over to the official Spotify.com website. Then click on the navigation in the top right hand side, select login, and then go ahead and sign in with your Spotify account. Once you're logged into your account, click on the settings icon in the top right. Click on View Account. Click on your plan at the very top, and then scroll down slightly and select Join Premium. Now here you'll have all of the different premium plans available. You can get an individual or a student plan, but if you just want the original standard Spotify subscription, just click on this top one, Get Premium Individual. This will take you to the payment window, and from here you'll just need to enter your payment information. Once you've completed the order, if you then head back over to the official Spotify app, it will automatically update your app and you'll now have the premium version. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.